McDonald's Bacon Buffalo Ranch McCrispy Chicken Sandwich Combo. Take two. Yes, we're trying again. So let's see what we got. Good old fries. Alright. So it says Bacon Buffalo Ranch. There better be bacon this time. There better be Buffalo Ranch this time. Making our little plate. And I see bacon! Yay! But do we have the Buffalo Ranch? Yes, we do. Nice. Okay, so the trick is, when the first McDonald's rips you off, go to a different one. Oh, the bacon is good. Alright. Give it a try. Mmm. I took a big bite, and now I can't talk. That is fantastic. The chicken is really crunchy with the breading, the buffalo sauce. It's not really hot, but it is spicy, flavorful, and that bacon. Bacon for that bacon. It is good. So this is what I was supposed to get last time, but they left out all the good stuff. Well, the chicken patty was really excellent, and it still is. The bun is very soft, very moist. Alright, so now I know what this is all about. The ranch, the bacon, it's all here. Thank goodness. Oh, I gotta have another bite. And the fries. McDonald's fries. Like I always say, best in the world, best in the universe. No one can beat McDonald's fries. And let's try the Diet Coke. Now this is kind of weird. They didn't punch in a little tab here for diet. They hit that. Wonder what that means. Let's see if it's still diet. I hope it is. I'm not a big fan of lots of sugar. That tastes like real Coke. So, not what I ordered. I cannot finish that drink. I mean, I love the taste of real Coke, but all that sugar, I'll have to find another drink. So maybe I got partially ripped off here. At least they got the sandwich right, which the other McDonald's did not. Okay, I'll finish this off camera. But yeah, great job with the fries and the sandwich. Not so much with the drink.